This video is brought to you by tweetadder.com. Today I just want to make a brief video review of tweetadder Twitter marketing program. I use this program for two main purposes. One is to expand my Twitter accounts, as in to automate my tweets, to get more followers, and so on. Secondly, I use this tool to get traffic to my website via Twitter, and that's traffic coming from Twitter, and that's good traffic if you can get like a lot of traffic per day from a well-known site like Twitter. Okay, so this is what the main interface of the program looks like, tweetadder, and currently I have two accounts associated with the program, two registered accounts I should say, and of course you can use the demo version whereby you don't have to pay to register and you get full features, only that they are limited per day and so on. And you can set up unlimited Twitter accounts to this program. You can put all your Twitter accounts on this program. Okay. So at the top right here to the left is an overview, and this is the overview that we are looking at right here. This tab, open user, lets you open individual Twitter accounts. Manage users, lets you manage your Twitter accounts, like add and to remove accounts from the program. Registration is for registering an account. Settings tab is for basic settings of the program. Activity log, this is where this log actually shows like your tweets, your unfollows, your searches, your thank you messages, and so on. Contact support, this is for if you have any problem with the program, you go here to contact support and tell them about your problem. And this next tab right here, the help tab, is for basic troubleshooting problems. Oh my god, which will take you to the internet. Okay, down here at the bottom to your left is the open user tab, let you open users. Right here is the visit profile tab. This lets you visit your Twitter account online. If you were to click on this tab right here, a web browser will open and it will launch your Twitter account. Right here is to turn off or turn on the Twitter account that you have associated with this program. And of course, it's just on the program, not to go to tweetadder.com itself and turn off your Twitter account. Okay, so let's go into this program right here. So I will just double click on this user right here and go into the settings whereby I will show you more about the program. Okay, so now I'm logged into my online-career tweetadder account settings. So at the top right here, the first thing you see is the settings. You can add minor tweaks to the program, which I will not go into because I want to make it feel as short as possible. I will just go into major functions of the program. Secondly, this tab right here is for your black or white list. This is whereby you add person that you want to follow and person that you don't want to follow. Right here, right here is your total number of followers, person that are following you on Twitter. Currently, this account has 1,971 as shown right here, and my following list, currently I'm following 1,396. So that's that. Down here is your to follow list, and these are persons that the program will follow and automatically follow per day, like each day. And I'll show you how to get your to follow list further down. Right here is another option whereby you can find persons to follow by profile data search. We have a location search right here. For example, currently I am in Florida. You can search persons that are in Florida. Let me give you a good use for this feature. You may have a tattoo shop in Florida, and you are using this program to advertise on your Twitter account. So you just want persons that live in Florida. So you could go to this option right here and search for persons that are in Florida, I should say. This next option is to find followers of a particular user. Like if you want to follow the followers of a celebrity or a friend of yours, you use this function right here. And this one is followed by a user, which is similar to this one right here. And the final one is a Twitter list. Okay, so that's that. Down here now is your follow, and right here is where the magic happens. This is where you set your automated options. For example, maximum persons to follow per day, you set 40. You can change this to whatever, 500, 1000. And the delay is best that you put 3 to 7 minutes for delay between followers. And this option right here lets you go ahead and just follow right away. Like for example, you want to follow 100 persons, you just type 100 and hit the start button, and it will start following persons. This option is recommended after you just start using the program. But after a while, like myself, I guess you would not be using it that much because the program would be running just on auto. Okay, the follow back right here. The window is set up the same, so you can automate your follow backs, and this is following back persons that have followed you on Twitter. Usually I just use the automated settings, and I have 10 follow backs per day. And for the users, this is a nice piece of tool right here. You can just go ahead and start unfollowing users right here. You just click the amount that you want to and start. But the real cool feature is down here with the automated settings. Currently I have maximum of 600 unfollows per day. I think I'm going to change that to like 100. Okay, so, and this is the time delay right here, and this little drop down menu right here, I should say, this drop down menu allows you to choose unfollow non-reciprocal followers that were followed using tweetadder 3. And this is like, for example, if the program followed a user's and it's like 5 days and the person have not followed you back, this program will just automatically unfollow that the user or the users, I should say. And the days really varies. Usually I use 5. You can change it to 8. You can change it to 3 days. It's really up to you. So let's go down to tweets. And this is your tweet area, whereby you set up your automated tweeting. You add your tweets right here, and you click add to the list, or you can tweet right away. Currently I have 146 different tweets in my list, and this program will tweet every 5 to 7 minutes, and I have a maximum of 40 tweets per day. I think I'll just change this 50 tweets per day. So when it reaches 50 tweets in a given day, it will just stop tweeting for that day, and the next day it will start again tweeting, and each time it completes the list, it will automatically start over with the very first tweet. And this is the tweet generator. This is a nice, cool program. However, I must say that I have not used it at all, but it's really to put like a few sentences and really generate like, for example, you put 3 sentences and it will generate like 20 different tweets for you, and that's like changing the words and so on, so that it makes sense, so that you can get more tweets. But I like to like manually come up with tweets myself, so I don't really use it that much. RSS feeds, you could add your RSS feeds right here. Put your feeds URL. I think I'm going to do that in a bit. I add my RSS feeds right here, but because I changed my Twitter account, I think I have to change the URL. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right after I finish. So as I said, you could just, if you have a website, you could just add the URL to your RSS feeds right here. Retweets, and this is a retweet option. I will not go specifically into that because I want to complete this video. Sorry. Replies, you can automate or automatically reply to users, to your Twitter followers. Like if they have sent you a message, you can automatically reply right here, and you can have unlimited replies. Thank you messages. This is a very good feature. Like for every person that have followed you, you could just send them a thank you message, and this thank you message could involve a program that you are promoting, your website. It could be whatever. I could just be a plain thank you. I think this is a really good feature. And right here is for other messages. For example, don't forget to check out our wonderful Twitter apps. Okay, so I use this to send messages to my Twitter followers. And down here is trends. You can search trends and so on. Right here it shows you current Twitter trends. It's loading, but I won't wait for it to load. So that is my basic rundown of the program, or the tool, or the software. This is a very good software, in my opinion, for you to have if you are promoting a business, a product, a website, just whatever, or for personal use. If you want to become big on Twitter and get more followers and so on, it's a nice software to have. So to get the software, all you need to do is just visit the link below in the description, and this will take you to my website, whereby you can get a free version of the software. And if you would like to purchase a registered key, I have a coupon code that will get you 20% off on registration. So just go ahead and just try the free demo. I'm pretty sure that you would like it. Have a nice day.